Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to do our second video of the weekend analysis, which is on QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF. What we have here is kind of a similar setup to SPY, where we have the lopsided inverse head and shoulders kind of forming. And what's interesting to see here, especially on the fib levels, is the fact that this previous area of support is now acting as perfect resistance here right on the 50% retracement level. So that's interesting to see kind of how that coincides almost perfectly. But all in all, we are in a wedge here, so we'll have to see if we break through the wedge to the upside or the downside. These are the current Fibonacci automated levels that TrendSpider found. Notice how we tested this level perfectly below and then moved right back up to the 50% retracement level. This is a very strong level to break, especially considering it's both a fib level and a previous support level. So definitely watch for the 168, 169 area and see if that breaks to the upside or there's some weakness into next week and we test the wedge support below. From a weekly perspective, we kind of have a longer term, very strong upward price channel, and then the shorter term channel is kind of created by this secondary support line, which is this megaphone pattern that's being created by the top of the resistance area here, and then the support area here. Same thing with SPY. We're really having trouble breaking through the EMA 50 and the SMA 20 above, and if we break through those areas, I think that will be kind of the main thing to watch for a possible reversal, at least on the long term. As we looked at on SPY, we have kind of entered this oversold area on the percent range, and generally over time, let's say months time period, there has been a move up from the oversold level. So definitely watching for this support area to hold, which is the megaphone support level. It is something to keep in mind that the weekly candle did kind of close through the EMA 50 below, so we could easily be testing this area below around 160 next week for a potential double bottom. Obviously, nothing's set in stone. Anything can happen in the market, but these are just the technical levels that we are watching. And thanks so much for listening in, and please let us know if you have any questions about our platform. Thanks so much.